is a warm, welcoming, inclusive atmosphere at Legal and Risk Services. We work really hard on staff well-being, making sure everybody's heard, making sure people reach their potential.
We've got social committee and a team of people looking after the well-being of our staff. We've got lots of great initiatives.
Legal and risk in each team I've been in throughout my 3 years so far, I've had a personal mentor that's just been extremely supportive and understanding, has helped me develop skills that I probably thought I never would have and wouldn't have developed if it wasn't for being with the company. In terms of like work environment, it's always been supportive. I've never had any issues where I thought that I couldn't speak to anyone if I had a problem.
Legal and Risk Service has been very supportive to me in my development. This came through providing funding for me to qualify as a Chartered Legal Executive, as well as giving me additional study leave so that I could sit all of my exams and submit all of my coursework.
Legal and Risk Services have supported me in my current role by providing adequate work equipment for me to work efficiently from home. They've also provided regular virtual training sessions to help me sort of keep up to date with my legal knowledge and processes and procedures.
Since I've started, there's been multiple opportunities for professional development. There's lots of training opportunities, there's in-house training, there's external training, and I've made the most of it. I've also had exceedingly good support from my team and the senior members of my team, who not only are there to kind of, support you in your work and if you have any queries or supervision and things like that, but also in terms of my own development as a solicitor.
Fantastic leadership courses and training, great engagement, mentoring and appraisals has taken me from an assistant solicitor status all the way up to running my own team in quite a short space of time. It's been fantastic.
Legal and Risk have been really supportive of my career, and I've had so many opportunities to grow and learn as a trainee, and also to establish myself within the organisation.
If you want to find out more about working with us, then please follow us on Twitter, follow us on our LinkedIn page, and register for our job alerts via NHS Jobs.
Dewch i weithio gyda ni yn yr NHS, mae'n le ffantastig i weithio. Newch yn siŵr bod chi'n dilyn ni ar Twitter, yn dilyn ni ar LinkedIn a wedi cofrestru gyda NHS Jobs.